From containers to haven, DIY nature-friendly home interior design with Rooftop Terrace. Creating a nature-friendly home interior design is not only beneficial for the environment but also enhances our well-being. One innovative approach to achieving this is by repurposing shipping containers and integrating them into a DIY project that combines sustainability, creativity, and functionality. In this video, we explore the concept of transforming containers into beautiful living spaces, complete with a rooftop terrace that allows you to connect with nature while maximizing space. Discover how to create a nature-friendly haven within your home that promotes sustainability and provides a stunning and serene retreat. One, the versatility of shipping container homes. A. Sustainable living. Repurposing shipping containers as homes promotes environmental sustainability by reducing waste and carbon footprint. B. Cost-effective. Shipping containers are relatively affordable compared to traditional building materials. C. Strength and durability. Containers are designed to withstand harsh conditions, making them a great choice for building homes. D. Ease of construction. Modifying containers allows for customization and faster construction compared to conventional homes. To designing a nature-friendly interior. A. Natural light. Maximize the usage of natural light by incorporating large windows and skylights. This helps reduce energy consumption and creates a bright and inviting space. B. Sustainable flooring. Opt for eco-friendly flooring materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, or cork, which are durable and have a minimal environmental impact. C. Green walls. Integrate living walls or vertical gardens within your container home to bring nature indoors. These installations act as natural air filters, improve indoor air quality, and add a touch of freshness. D. Energy-efficient appliances. Invest in energy-efficient appliances to minimize electricity usage and reduce your carbon footprint. E. Upcycled furniture. Embrace the beauty of upcycled furniture pieces that add character and sustainability to your interior design. Rethink and repurpose items like reclaimed wood tables, shelves made from salvaged materials, or vintage pieces that can be refurbished. F. Sustainable fabrics. Choose organic or sustainably sourced fabrics for your upholstery, curtains, and linens. These materials promote healthier indoor air quality and reduce the impact on the environment. Creating a rooftop terrace. A. Structural reinforcement. Adequate structural support is essential when building a rooftop terrace. Consult a professional to ensure that your container home can handle the additional weight of the terrace. B. Safety measures. Install safety railings and secure any loose furniture or decorations to prevent accidents or damage from wind and weather conditions. C. Designing the landscape. Incorporate greenery in your rooftop terrace by using planters, raised beds, or vertical gardens. Choose plants suitable for the climate and create an inviting atmosphere that complements your home's interior. D. Outdoor seating and accessories. Select comfortable outdoor furniture like weather-resistant seating, tables, and loungers to create a relaxing and functional space. Add outdoor cushions, rugs, and lighting for added comfort and ambience. E. Sustainable water management. Implement water-saving techniques by using rainwater harvesting systems, efficient irrigation methods, or self-watering planters. This helps to conserve water while keeping your rooftop garden thriving. 4 essential tips for successful DIY projects. A. Research and planning. Understand the logistics of container home conversion, local regulations, and necessary permits. Ensure your design aligns with your budget and vision. B. Insulation and ventilation. Proper insulation and ventilation are critical to maintaining a comfortable environment within a container home. Insulate walls, floors, and ceilings to regulate temperature and reduce energy consumption. C. Professional assistance. Seek professional advice for structural modifications and ensure compliance with building codes and safety regulations. D. DIY sustainability. Choose eco-friendly, non-toxic, and low-VOC volatile organic compound materials during the construction process to promote a healthy living space. E. Green energy solutions. Consider incorporating solar panels or other renewable energy sources to power your container home and reduce your reliance on the grid. Conclusion: transforming shipping containers into nature-friendly homes with rooftop terraces is an innovative and sustainable way to create a unique living space that combines functionality and design. By repurposing shipping containers, designing a nature-friendly interior, and creating a rooftop oasis, you are not only reducing waste but also connecting with nature on a more personal level. Through careful planning, utilizing eco-friendly materials, and incorporating sustainable practices, you can bring your DIY container home project to life. Embrace the challenge, let your creativity soar, and enjoy the rewarding experience of turning containers into a haven that promotes a harmonious relationship with the environment.